and do it like this. And you always get a mystery gift. And I have got the super cute strawberry girl. As you can see, she's got like little strawberry hair bows and a little strawberry dress. Now these clays usually tend to be worth anywhere between sort of £2.75 and about £3.75 depending on the quality. I would say this is one of the higher end ones, but like I said, it depends on where the actual styles and how much detail they tend to have. And then I've also got this star shaker with a, I don't know if you can see it that well, but there is actually a watermelon in there because it's a fruit theme box. And for my exclusive item, because it says here, there is either watermelon felty bows or pineapple clippies, and it would appear I've got a pineapple clippy, and you would cut round and then attach those together and put them on a clip. And then we've got one big piece, A4 piece of pineapples and watermelons. And I've got this really pretty pink, pale pink glitter. Watermelon pip pink. And these are A5 pieces. This super pretty, sort of like gingham checked, pretty pink A5. And then another pink glitter. It's not quite the same as the first one. I'll just show you them both together so you can see the difference. You see that one's like a slightly lighter and this one's got more, that's more like a reflective kind of pink, and this one's got more sort of like confetti like sparkles in it. So it is definitely worth the £11.99 with the postage, and like I said, every single month you get the exclusive item. Because I don't have a big shop at my house myself, I do tend to take these to my sister's and play around and make all my bits and pieces when I'm there. That, and she normally likes to pinch the felty pieces herself. Okay. And also when you purchase, whenever you get these, you get a code. So anything that you purchase within the box has a special code that you can use to get extra money off. I believe it's 10% off all the products featured in the box. So like I said, you get that code to use, and that's valid till the end of the month that you purchase in. And like I said, they tend to have different themed. This one was a fruit themed one. January's one was an Easter themed one with rabbit ears and things like that. So they do tend to fit the theme, and they're always with enough time for you to sort of plan any event. So if you've got Easter, you get it in January. If you've got Christmas, it comes in sort of July. So you've got plenty of time to sort of prepare anything that you're sort of interested, if you've got events coming up and stuff like that. So I'm going to put that away from now, because like I said, I'm going to take that to my sister's and use her big shop, because my hand cutting skills on glitter is shocking. And like I said, they've got a YouTube channel that you can subscribe to as well, and that is the Eliza Henri bow box subscription. Okay, thanks, bye. So this is the second part of my Eliza Henri subscription box unboxing for the January fruit themed box. Eliza Henri does the bow box subscription, and you can either sign up and get it every single month without fail, or you can buy individually monthly, and they do tend to have theme boxes. Like I said, this one was a fruit theme box. I've seen Christmas in July and a few others kind of that theme. So sometimes if you like a theme to sort of give you a little bit of extra inspiration, it's really good that, like I said, you've got that extra theme to sort of bring your ideas together a little bit. There is normally, you get one A4 sheet and 4 A5 sheets. I have got two large double AO dollies, and 1, 2, 3 large single layer dollies with the little butterfly and the mulberry flower on that one. And I use my shaker that was one of the embellishments that came with the box on this one. And then I've got a medium double layer dolly with the super cute little strawberry clay girl that came with the box on this one. And then I've also made up my little pineapple, which was my exclusive item. Some people got the watermelon bows, and I used my own green material on the tails on these ones. And I also found this super cute pineapple clay in my own box I've added to this one because it really fit the theme well, with the pink bow matching the glasses on the little pineapple and watermelon mix of the materials. So like I said, again, because you get the, like I said, exclusive items, which is the shaker, you can see in there it's got the watermelon in there and the clay, it is still really good value for money because you can definitely make your money back with the bows that you can potentially sell. Or like I said, it makes a really great themed gift if you're going to give it away. Like I said, I've only got the 6 bows and the pineapple, but again, if you're a bit more conservative with your materials than I am, I worked it out roughly that if you stuck to sort of medium dollies and small dollies, you probably could make 16 to 19 bows. Like I said, if you were a bit more conservative and only did single layers instead of doubles like I have done. So hopefully you found this really useful. Like I said, I quite like the theme of this